Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to calculate the distance between 2 points in a map. First, let's read the question. Estimate the distance by road from the port to the proposed location of the smelter. Right. Now we know that from the legend that the port is a star. There you go. And the proposed location of the smelter is A. Right. How do we measure the distance? First, let's take a thread. You can see it's my thread, white. Preferably white so it's easy to see when you plot the points. Now, we take thread and we see. It says from the port to the proposed location of the smelter. Take the thread. I would suggest use the middle, but up to you. Use the middle of the thread and just randomly plot a point. This will now be your starting location. There you go. After this, you put the starting location on the port, because in the question it says from the port. And you see, make sure you follow the road. I'm following this road here, so I'm going to put the point a little on the top. There you go. It's a little bendy here, so I'm going to curve my thread a bit. There you go. From here, I'm going to curve the thread along the road. Make sure your thread follows the path of the road. Slowly, 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 you're gonna curve your thread, right? Curve it, curve it, curve it. There, until you get to point A. There you go. Now, hold it your other finger. And there. We'll plot the point. Right on point A. And make sure you recheck that. Yes, this is my starting point. I bended it through this road here and bended it through this road and I got to A. There. My point is on A. So, yeah, see? There. Now after you do this, right, so you can see my 2 points here. Turn the paper back and let's start calculating the distance. Now there are many ways to do this, but this is the way I use normally. Take your ruler and measure the distance in the scale. The scale says 10 kilometers. You can see 10 kilometers, and this is 0.9 centimeters. You can see 3.94. So 0.9 kilometers, 0.9 centimeters, sorry, is equal to 10 kilometers. So this is 0.9 centimeters, remember. In your ruler, it's centimeters. Now, calculate the distance in our thread. Okay? As you can remember, this is our starting, this is our ending point. Make sure your thread is stretched out and elongated. Slowly bring your ruler closer to your thread. There. Put the starting point on 0 and find where your ending point will be. Make sure starting point is right on 0. There you go. And as you can see, my ending point is approximately on 3.2. Okay, my starting point is on 0 and my ending point is on 3.2. 3.2, yeah, 3.2. There you go. So you know that 3.2 centimeters is how much. Now we can use basic math to calculate. There you go. You can use basic math to calculate the distance between the road in kilometers. What we do is just calculate 3.2 divided by 0.9 multiplied by 10, which is equal to 3.2 divided by 0.9 multiplied by 10, 35.5. So since this 0.5 we round off 35.6, our answer will be 35.6 kilometer. Right here, 35.6 kilometer. There you go. That is how we do it. Thank you for watching, everyone.